Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to chat in Polybuzz. So here in Polybuzz, I'm gonna teach you how to chat in Polybuzz. So many people are thinking of how to chat on Polybuzz because a few of them doesn't know how to start to chat in Polybuzz. It's very easy. So all we need to do is choose ourselves a character. So let's say right here we're gonna choose on the game right here. As you can see right here, we have Dandy World. So depending of what you want to do with the AI character, choose right here. As you see right there, we have different kind of characters, but we're gonna choose Dandy World. Hear me out, because it looks very fun. As you can see right there, guys, it has some rainbows and the smiling flowers. It's kind of fun. So now let's choose this right here. And hear me out. I hate everyone because she simply likes her kind of blah 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 blah. So as you see right there, now we're gonna chat. Hi Dandy. Hi Dandy. Let's play. Now as you can see right now, oh, what kind of game are you suggesting? Now there you go. That's how you chat your Polybuzz. So now let's just say, okay, I've chatted Polybuzz. Let's just say you press it back and you don't know what to do because you want Dandy to come back, for example, change right here. All you need to do is press on this right here, on this icon right here next to the add icon right there, and press on there. Dandy right there. As you see right now, Dandy is now back. As you can see right there. Now we just went to like a recent chat back to our Dandy right here, as you can see. So yeah, there you go, guys. That's how you chat here at Polybuzz. If you have any more questions, search you can type in the comment below. Happy to answer you guys, and thank you guys. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.